Hi everyone, Linda Reed-Enever. Well, I have a brand new box, and inside this brand new box is a ModC. And a ModC is a modern business card, and it is created by Nathan and his team. This is an Australian-based business card. Now, I've tried digital cards before, and let me say they've worked, but then I've even created our own using our own card blanks and card platforms. But this one impresses me. So let's open the box. So the ModC box is here, and this is my card. And the card feels amazing. So the back of my card looks like my brand, my logo and everything on it. It's got our little username ready to go. And then we've got the Enever Group logo, a QR code if someone needs to scan a QR code, and my name and title. So it's all branded and I really love it. But what I actually love about this card is the texture. How amazing the texture feels, how amazing it feels to be able to touch. And it sort of feels like paper. I know it's plastic, but it sort of has that texturized feel of paper to it, which is what I like. And it's not flimsy. So I'm absolutely excited with the card. Now, the ModC is really easy to use. You tap it to your phone. And it takes you off to your ModC page that you can set up. Now, I preferred to set mine up on desktop, so I went to the desktop version and set it up. But what it then allows you to do is put in your website, your Facebook pages, your social medias, and all of those sorts of things. And I'm going to duck off in a minute and show you what my ModC looks like. I'm going to jump onto the phone and show you the version of what my ModC looks like so that you can have a look at it for yourself. Now, I've got one tip for all of you setting up a digital card, whether it's a ModC or any type of card that you set up. Put in a toolkit page of tools that you recommend for your industry and pop in a free gift page. I've popped in a free gift page on mine, which has my downloadables, my ebooks, all of those things so that people can engage with us. I love that with my ModC, I can also have 2 to 3 different profiles so that depending on what I'm teaching or where I'm networking, I can bring in maybe a course creators one, or I can bring in a marketing one unique to the audience that I'm going to work with. This is awesome. This is an amazing card. If you haven't checked one out, grab yourself a ModC, go and check it out. These are the details. It's not highly technical to set up. It's actually really easy. It's just a matter of filling in some forms and you're ready to go. So congratulations, Nathan. This is a great product. I love it. Get yourself a ModC. I've got our affiliate link in with this video, so feel free to register on over and grab it. He's got a very special lifetime offer that you pay $90 and you've got the card and everything's all set. So take him up on it. Okay, let's go and show you my ModC.
See the ModC in action. We tap the ModC to the back of our phone. You heard the little beep. It brings up the ModC card. You've got your personalized profile image. You've got your personalized background image. When you be able to fill it up, you can see how many people have viewed it. You can share your details. And because this is mine, obviously I can share my details. We've got our website in here. We've got socials. And then as I mentioned to you, we've got the Marketer's Toolkit and a free gift from me that people can be able to check and run. People then hit Save Contact. It downloads the contact file. I've downloaded it once before, but we'll hit download again. It downloads the contact file and they are able to open it and save it. If you want to share your details by phone, you can share, if they want to share their contact details with me, they can put their name and details in here and connect. And then if we want to share it with a contact phone number, we can send it off there. So it's a great networking tool. The ability for someone to be able to click and pop their details in as well means that they can connect with you and you can send them little freebies or little options as well. And remember, you can have multiple profiles within your ModC, so you're able to add different things along the way. And then from this button here that people can learn about ModC and they can get their own ModC.